Hello, good morning, dear students. Today we'll begin with the new lesson, that is HCF and LCM. Okay, so this lesson will be included in your algebra section. So let's recall, that is the divisor and dividend. I have taken two examples of division. The first one, that is 36 divided by 4. So we'll do a normal division. 4 how much are 36 children? Yes, 4 9s are 36 and the subtraction will give us answer 0. Okay, so what is 4 in this sum? Yes, it is divisor. Okay, what is 4? 4 is divisor and 36 is correct. 36 is dividend. So whatever we get up, yeah, that is called as quotient. What is it called as? Quotient. And here whatever remains is called as remainder. It's not remainder, it's remainder. Okay, so when we solve this sum, what is our remainder? 0. Okay, now we will solve this sum of division and we'll see what we get as a divisor. Dividend, quotient and remainder. 9 how much? 65. Do we get in 9's table 65? No, but smaller number than that. Yes, 9 7s are 63. 5 minus 3 2. 6 minus 6 0. So what is 9? Yes, 9 is divisor here. Yeah, 65 is dividend. Okay, and 7 is quotient. And what is the remainder? 2. Yes, so what are we getting remainder here? 2. Okay, so children, when we divide 36 by 4, the remainder is 0. Okay, and so 4 is the factor of 36. What did I say? 4 is a factor of 36. Okay, and 36 is a multiple of 4. Okay, we have learned this in 5th standard. Yes, so when we get remainder 0, then the divisor becomes the factor and dividend becomes the multiple. Okay, now if you will see in this sum, yeah, so what we can say here? 36 is divisible by 4. Okay, now if we'll see in this sum, then when we divide 65 by 9, what is the remainder? It is 2. It is not 0. Yes, therefore 9 is not a factor of 65. Okay, and 65 is not a multiple of 9. Okay, and therefore 65 is not divisible by 9. Did you understand, children? Yes, so whenever we get remainder 0, the numbers are divisible, and whenever we don't get remainder 0, the number are not divisible. Okay, so now we have just revised about the factors and multiples. Did you remember? This we have learned in 5th standard. So now we'll answer the question, that is factors of 36. What are factors of 36? Factors means, children, in which table do we get 36? Previous lesson only we have learned divisibilities, test of divisibilities. So from using that test of divisibilities, can you tell in which table do we get 36? We have also solved this kind of sums last year. So if we will see, children, then this particular number 36 will first come in 1's table. Yes, and it will also come in its own table, that is 36. Did you understand? So any number if you will take, children, then it comes in its It comes in one's table and it comes in its own table. Now, second, number 2. 1 we finish. Now, after 1 we get 2. In 2's table, does this number come? Yes, because at its units place we are having 6. And what is test of divisibility of 2? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If these numbers are at units place, then that number will come in 2's table. So are we having 6? Yes. Then if at units place there is 6, means this number will come in 2's table, that is, we'll write here the factor, next factor, that is 2. Okay. Now in your rough work, children, we know na, it is coming in 2's table. So go in your rough work and just divide and see this number. See, 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 1. Take 6 down. 2 8s are 16. So 2 how much are 36? 2 when we multiply with 18, are we getting 36? Yes. So 2's table it is coming, then surely it will come in the next table, that is 18's table. Okay. Now 3's table will it come? Just recall the test of divisibility of 3. What is test of divisibility of 3? Add the digit, and if addition is in 3's table, number will come in 3's table. So 36, no? So 3 plus 6, what is that? 9. Is 9 coming in 3's table? Yes, then surely 36 will also come in 3's table. So next factor is 3. Now we'll just divide with 3 and see, okay? We know na, it is the factor. Remainder will come 0 only. See, 3 1s are 3 minus 0. Take 6 down. 3 how much are? 2s are 6. That is 0 and 0. So 3 how much are 36? 3 12s are. So write here 12. Okay. Now next number after 3 is 4. 4's table are we getting 36? Of course, children. 4 how much are? 4 9s are. So 9 will be the other factor. Are you understanding? Now 5. Next number is 5. What is test of divisibility of 5? At units place there should be 0 or 5. Do we have 0 or 5 here? No. So 36 will not come in 5's table. Next number is 6. Do we have 36 in 6's table? Yes. What is that? 6 into 6 will give us 36. So the next factor will be 6. Okay. Now after 6 what do we have? Did we get 6 6 36? Of course, we have finished finding the factors. Okay. Now next factor no need to find. See, did we get here? See, this multiplied gives us 36. When we multiply this gives us 36. Multiplication 36. Multiplication 36. And 6 into 6 36. So factors are over, children. Now if you want you can check. 7 no. 8 no. Then after that all numbers I have written down. So this way are the factors of 36. Okay. So what are the factors of 36? Yes. 1 2 3 4 6 9. Okay. Then 12 18 and 36. Okay. So now in the same way we will find 48's factors. Okay, children. See, 48. Will it come in 1's table and which table? 48's table. Yeah. Next, 2's table. Surely. Units place we are having 8. Now 2 how much are? Just try and see. Divide and see. 2 2s are 4 0. 8. 2 4s are 8. 0 and 0. So 2 how much are? 24. So other factor will be 24. Now will it come in 3's table? Add the digit. Add and see. 4 plus 8 12. 12 is coming in 3's table. So 48 will also come in 3's table. So write here 3. 3 how much are? If you don't know, do division. 3 1s are 3. Remainder is 1. Take 8 down. 3 6 are 18. So 0 and 0. So 3 how much are? 16s are. Okay. Now next 4 stable will it come? Surely, see, check. 4 and 48. 4 ones are 4, 0. Take 8 down. 4 twos are 8, 0 and 0. So 4 how much are? 4 12s. Are we coming close from this side and this side? Now 5 stable? No, because units place we are not having 0 and 5. 6 stable? Yes, 6 8s are. Okay. 7 stable? Now only 7 is remaining now after 6. So our factors are finished. What are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Okay. Now from these two numbers, remove the common factors, underline. 1 is common, 1. Yeah. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. 6, 6. 9, 9. 12, 12. Then after that, no. So only the common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay. Now based on this, we will solve practice set 23. So now remove your algebra CW or algebra section. Write the lessons name, HCF and LCM, and then take a screenshot of these notes and write down these notes in neat and good handwriting in your CW. So now after writing the notes, we have to write practice set 23. Okay, so now we'll begin with the practice set 23. That is, write all the factors of the given numbers and list their common factors. Okay, so first sum is 12 and 16, is it? So first we are going to write factors of 12. So it will come in 1 stable and 12 stable. Next, will it come in 2 stable? Yes children, we know 2 how much are? 2 6 are. Okay. Next, 3 stable, will it come? Yes, 3 4s are. Now did we get a pair next of side by side numbers? So factors are stopped. See here, 2 12 6 are and 1 12 are. So factors are stopped here. So how can we write this? 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Okay. Next, we have to find factors of 16. 1 stable, 16 stable. Is it 1 and 16? Now 2 stable, surely 2 8s are. Next, 3 stable, no, 3 5s are is 15. No. 4 stable, yes, 4 4s are 16. Did we get pair of this? What is that? 4 only. So let it be. If gap remains, okay. Otherwise you can write it. First write with pencil and then fair it. Anyhow. Okay. So 1, 2, 4 and 8. Did we get the factors? So now we'll find common factors. What are the common factors between 12 and 16? First one is 1. Underline 2 and write it. 3 no. 4 and anything else? No. Only 1, 2 and 4. Okay. So now we'll solve the next sum, that is 30 and 25 and 30. Okay. So now can you tell me factors of 25? Yes, 1 and 25. Next, 2 stable? No. 3 stable? No. See, 2 stable, is it? Do you have at units place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8? No, then it will not come in 2 stable. 3 stable, add the digit 2 plus 5, 7. Is 7 coming in 3 stable? No, then 25 will also not come. 4 stable? No, 4 5 is 20 and 4 6 is 24. Then the next table is directly 5. So you can write this number close here. That is 5 5s are 25. Next, factors of 30. 1 and 30. Is it? 1 and 30. 2 how much are? If you don't know children, do it in rough work and see. 2 and 30. 15s are no? 2 1s are 2. 1 will remain. 2 5s are 10. Is remainder 0. Then what is that? 2 how much are? 15s are. So write here 50. Next. 3 stable. Surely 3 10s are. Yes. 4 stable. No. 5 stable. Yes. What? 5 6 are. Did you get side by side the pair or the number itself? Okay. So factors are finished. Now we will find out common factors. Common factors. What are the common factors? 1. No 2. 5. This I'll erase. Okay. 5. And 25 do we have? No. So the common factors are 1 and 5. Here is the next sum, that is 56 and 72. So first we'll find out the factors of 56. Yes. So 56 will come in one table and its own table, that is 56. Okay. Now will it come in two table? Surely, because units place we are having 6. So 2 table and 2 how much are? If you don't know children, go and do division in the rough work. 2 divided by 56. 2 2s are 4. 1 is remaining. 2 6 take down. 2 8s are 16. Remainder is 0. So 2 multiplied by 28 will give us 56. So 2 and 28. Okay. Next. 3 stable. Just add the digit. 5 plus 6, 11. Is 11 coming in 3 stable? No. Then 56 will also not come. Next, 4 stable. We'll check. Divide last 2 digit. What are those? 56 only. 4 2s are, sorry, 4 1s are 4. Yeah? 1. 4 4s are 16. If you by heart the tables till 20, you can directly tell the answer. So 4 14s are 56. Next, 5 stable. No, because units place we are having 6. If you want 5 stable, then the units place should be 0 and 5. Now 6 are. Do we get in 6 table? No. 7 stable? Yes. 7 8s are. So did we get all the numbers till 56? Which are the factors of 56? Okay. Now the next, that is factors of 72. As the number becomes greater children, factors go on increasing. So the first factor will be surely be 1. Last factor surely will be 72. Next, 72, will it come in 2 stable? Of course yes, because at units place we are having 2 and 2 is coming in 2 stable. So 2, but 2 how much are we don't know. Go and do rough work. 2 3s are 6. 1 take 2 down, 2 6 are 12. 0 and 0. So 2 36 are. So here we will have 36. Okay. Now 3 stable will it come? Check. 7 plus 2 9. 9 is coming in 3 stable. So 72 will also come in 3 stable. Now 3 how much are? 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. So 3 multiplied by 24 will give us 72. So here you will write 24. So from okay, next 4. 4 will divide and see. 4 72. 4 1s are 4. 3 and 2. 4 8s are 32. 0 and 0. So it is coming. 4 18s are. So write 4 18s are. Okay. Next. 5 stable? No. 6 stable? 6. We'll try. See? If you want you can try and see. 6 1s are 6. 1 2 6 2s are 12. So 6 how much are? 12s are. So 6 12s are. Okay. Next 7 stable? No. 8 stable? Will it come in 8's table? Yes. What is that? I don't have place, I'll write down. 8 9s are 72. So did we get the pair? Yes. So here we have finished the factors of 72. See children, this method, no, because of this method, what I am showing you just now, that if 1, then 32, 2, then 36, that side numbers na directly you are getting as an answer. Otherwise, see, factors means what? See, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 72 numbers are there. Yes or no? So from these 72 numbers, we have to select which are the factors. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Did we select 12? But if you go on writing only 1 is a factor, then 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 6 is a factor, 7, no, 5, 9, no, not 10, 11, like this you have to go on searching till 72. Yes, each number you have to try. But what method I have shown you, na? If 1, then 72, 2, then 36. Then from this 36 to 72s, between numbers no need to check, because they will surely not be the factors. Are you understanding what I am saying? Yes. Now 3, 24s are, then between 24 and 36 whatever numbers are there, no need to check, because they will not be the factors of 72. Are you understanding? This way, no, this circles way, semicircle way, this what method I taught you, you can easily get the numbers. Now instead of checking 72 numbers, with the help of these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, with the help of this 6 number, did you get further 6 numbers? Yes. So this help us to get the factors of that particular number. Okay. Now we'll find out the common factors. So 1, 1, 2, 2, no 3, 4, 4, no 5, no 6, no 8, 8, then 14, no 14, 28, no 56. No. So what are the common factors? 1, 2, 4 and 8. So children, in practice set 23, you will write this question, then you will solve the 3 sums whatever I have solved, then 2 sums are remaining. In textbook total 5 sums are there, I have solved 3 sums. So you will solve these 3 sums and then you will see which 2 sums are remaining, and that 2 sums you will solve on your own after this 3 in your CW in neat and clean handwriting.